Good morning to you all. Today, I would like to give the testimony of main person, that is our CEO, Mr. Sampath sir. My grateful, gratitude to him, because to have such a wonderful institute, that is NIECCE, and to have very well experienced faculties and staffs, and he has given us all kind of support, and also the plans and the ideas whatever he has designed for us is for our future is amazing, and he has shown the path to success with where our all destinies are bound. So I will always be grateful to you, sir. Thank you so much. And next I would like to talk about Mr. Kirtish sir. He is also managing very nicely, and all the time, like whenever we are required or when something is going wrong, he was there with us all the time throughout the course in the institution. So thank you so much, Kirtish sir. And the next I would like to talk about Ramani ma'am. Ramani ma'am, your amazing coordinator, because the support you had given to us till now is we cannot just explain it by words, but I will always be grateful to you. Whatever the issues we have, immediately you have sorted out, and also you have guided us, standing in the mother position, I can say. I'm proudly, I can say, you are just like our mother, I can say. So thank you so much, Ramani ma'am. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ರಮಣಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. And when it comes to faculties, all the faculties were very much, very well experienced, and also all of them were amazing. Girish sir, he took communicative English, and the way he explained the grammar part and also narrating stories, we could learn lot many things from this. And initial stages, I mean, when we were kids, we used to think, oh my god, grammar, we used to become tensed and fussy also sometimes about grammar, but Girish sir made it so easy. Thank you so much, Girish sir. And also we have learned how to narrate the story and how to grab the attention of our children or students. So thank you so much, Girish sir. And also Sanjay sir, he actually taught us how to give an interview, and also how to write a letter to the principal, and also how to behave in the school. And also small suggestion also he gave us, that we should not give any suggestions to the management, because they know what they have to do. So you just do your job as a teacher, whatever you want to do. And that was seriously an amazing sentence which I always remember and keep it in my mind, and I will always follow that. And thank you so much, Sanjay sir. And Anita ma'am, actually my sincere apologies to you, because I feel I couldn't give justification for the handwriting classes, and also I couldn't attend puppet classes, but I have taken few videos from few of my friends just to go through it. But handwriting part, I couldn't be up to it, so my sincere apologies to you. And also you are an amazing teacher for us. You have taught us even how the child will behave, and the sentence which I remember all the time is that a child, what he will do with a toy, the best thing he will do with a toy is to break it. So all the time I'll just think about it whenever kids are playing or breaking some toy. Thank you so much, Anita ma'am. And I would like to talk about Sahana ma'am also, who took phonics. Unfortunately I couldn't attend your classes also, ma'am, but have seen the videos of your phonics classes, and I have learned lot many things from that. Your voice is amazing, and I'm just trying to be like you, not imitating you, but I'm seriously learning from that. So thank you so much, Sahana ma'am. And I would like to talk about Munmun ma'am. Munmun ma'am, the moral stories and art and craft, everything you have taught us, literally like children only you have treated us. So thank you so much for being a part of all these things. And Kiran ma'am, actually you took first aid class and also lesson planning. Unfortunately again I couldn't attend your class also, but it was really good experience. After that we have communicated, and also you have guided me through how we have to manage the school and all, being a principal. So, and also you gave some tips also while doing the lesson planning. Thank you so much Kiran ma'am. And last but not least, Tejeshwar sir. Tejeshwar sir, the child psychology which you took was really nice, and it made us understand the mentality of children and also the growth of children all over development, something like cognitive development, or not only the body development or outer development or inner development, even the cognitive development is also very much important while we teaching the kids. So we definitely I learnt a lot in child psychology, and thank you so much Tejeshwar sir. Divya ma'am, you actually took a health and nutrition class for us, and not only being a teacher, even being a mother, it is very much important for us to know about health and nutrition, especially for the child and for their development or growth. So you have literally given many information about health and nutrition, not only health and nutrition, as well as about some diseases also and deficiency of minerals and vitamins. So Divya ma'am, we will always be grateful to you for teaching health and nutrition. Thank you so much. And thank you so much NIECCE for being with us all the time, and for fulfilling our dreams. Thank you.